Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we delve into an age-old debate that stirs passion in car enthusiasts, the showdown between classic cars and modern cars. On one side, we have the classic cars. These timeless beauties embody a rich history, showcasing exquisite craftsmanship and unique designs that have captivated generations. From the rumble of a V8 engine to the glorious curves of a vintage coupe, classic cars bring nostalgia and charm that modern vehicles often struggle to replicate. On the other side, we have modern cars, engineered with precision and packed with cutting-edge technology, featuring advanced safety systems, fuel efficiency, and smart technology that integrates with our digital lives. These vehicles represent the forefront of innovation in the automotive world. So which is better? Is it the raw emotion and artistry of classic cars that wins your heart, or does the practicality and efficiency of modern cars appeal to your sensibilities? Join me as we break down the pros and cons of each category, explore their unique features, and hopefully help you decide which side of this age-old rivalry you stand on. Let's delve into the fascinating world of classic cars, a realm where automotive design meets cultural significance. There's something undeniably enchanting about these vehicles. With their sleek lines, polished chrome finishes, and the exhilarating roar of a V8 engine, classic cars evoke a sense of nostalgia that transports enthusiasts back to a bygone era. These vehicles are not merely modes of transportation. They represent significant milestones in automotive history, each telling a unique story of innovation and style. Take, for instance, the legendary 1967 Ford Mustang. This car is not just a vehicle, it has become an enduring symbol of American culture. Its design embodies the spirit of the 1960s, where freedom and rebellion were celebrated. The Mustang's aggressive stance, combined with its stunning aesthetic appeal, makes it an object of desire for many. Driving one is not simply about getting from one place to another, it's about experiencing a slice of history and connecting with the millions who have admired and coveted this iconic automobile. But classic cars are more than just their striking appearance. They offer an unparalleled simplicity that appeals to car enthusiasts, particularly those who enjoy hands-on work. When you pop the hood of a classic car, you're greeted by a familiar layout, a straightforward engine, clear components, and accessible parts that invite exploration and tinkering. Unlike modern vehicles, which are often laden with complex electronics and intricate sensors, classic cars embrace pure mechanical engineering. This simplicity allows DIY enthusiasts to truly engage with their vehicles, making repairs and modifications more accessible and enjoyable. Moreover, the classic car community is vibrant and welcoming. It comprises passionate individuals who share a deep appreciation for these automobiles. Enthusiasts frequently gather at car shows, swap meets, and online forums to exchange tips, locate hard-to-find parts, and recount personal stories related to their automotive adventures. For many, owning and restoring a classic car is not just a hobby. It's a lifestyle that fosters connections and camaraderie among like-minded individuals. In essence, classic cars encapsulate a rich tapestry of history, nostalgia, and community that resonates with those who cherish them. Let's delve into the fascinating world of modern automobiles. Today's vehicles are equipped with an array of cutting-edge technology that not too long ago would have been considered pure science fiction. Take the Tesla Model 3 as a prime example. This all-electric sedan not only boasts impressive speed and acceleration, but also features a suite of high-tech attributes, including an advanced autopilot system that enables semi-autonomous driving, a sprawling touchscreen interface that serves as the command center for nearly all vehicle functions, and the capability for over-the-air software updates that enhance performance and introduce new features without the need for a trip to the dealership. Modern cars are meticulously engineered to prioritize efficiency, safety, and convenience, making them ideal companions for a variety of everyday activities. Whether you're navigating the daily grind of a commute to work or embarking on a family road trip, these vehicles offer a reliable and enjoyable driving experience, equipped to handle diverse demands. Safety is perhaps one of the most significant benefits of contemporary automobiles. Their construction includes a plethora of advanced safety features designed to protect passengers and prevent accidents. Technologies like adaptive cruise control maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. Lane keeping assist gently corrects your steering to keep you centered in your lane. And automatic emergency braking can detect impending collisions, activating brakes to minimize impact. These innovations can quite literally save lives by reducing human error on the road. In addition to enhanced safety, modern cars are also designed with fuel efficiency in mind. The rise of hybrid and electric vehicles is revolutionizing the automotive industry. Not only do these vehicles contribute to a more sustainable environment by producing fewer emissions, but they also help car owners save money in the long run. With reduced gas costs and lower maintenance expenses, hybrids and electric vehicles emerge as economical choices for budget-conscious drivers. Overall, the advancements in modern automotive technology are transforming how we drive and experience transportation. Let's delve deeper into the driving experience of classic cars versus modern vehicles. When you get behind the wheel of a classic car, you're not just driving, you're engaging in a full-body experience. Everything is manual. From the steering to the brakes, there's no electronic assistance nudging you along. This setup offers a sense of rawness and authenticity that many driving enthusiasts cherish. The tactile feedback from the steering wheel, the responsiveness of the pedals, and the sound of the engine create a visceral connection to the road. For those who appreciate the art of driving, this can be incredibly satisfying. However, it also demands more from you as the driver. You need to remain vigilant, making quick adjustments to your speed and direction based solely on your skills and instincts. And let's face it, unless you're on a smooth highway, the ride can be quite stiff and uncomfortable over long distances. In contrast, modern cars are engineered with an emphasis on convenience and comfort. Power-assisted steering makes maneuvering effortless, as does a well-tuned suspension system that cushions the ride against bumps and road imperfections. Inside the cabin, you're greeted by a wealth of features designed to enhance your driving experience, such as heated seats that provide warmth on chilly mornings, climate control systems that maintain your ideal temperature, and premium sound systems that turn every drive into a musical journey. Safety and assistance technologies have also transformed the way we drive. Adaptive cruise control allows you to maintain a safe distance from the car ahead, while lane keeping assist gently nudges you back into your lane if you start to drift. Yet this wave of technology has sparked a debate among driving purists. Many argue that while these innovations make driving easier and more comfortable, they can also dilute the joy and thrill that comes with manual control and genuine engagement with the vehicle. The question remains, has technology enhanced our driving experience, or has it taken away from the true essence of what it means to drive? What are your thoughts on this topic? I would love to hear your opinions in the comments. When it comes to maintenance, classic cars present a unique set of advantages and challenges. For those who possess mechanical skills, these vehicles are often easier to repair and maintain. The engineering of classic cars tends to be straightforward, with fewer complex components than many modern models. This simplicity means that enthusiasts can often tackle repairs themselves, leveraging a robust community of classic car aficionados and an extensive array of available resources, from repair manuals to online forums. However, sourcing original parts can be a significant hurdle. Many components may no longer be in production, leading owners to hunt for them through specialty shops, online marketplaces, or salvage yards. Additionally, the process of restoring a classic car can quickly become both expensive and time-consuming, requiring not only a financial investment, but also a considerable dedication of time and effort to achieve the desired level of quality. In contrast, modern cars have been engineered with reliability and longevity in mind. They incorporate advanced technology and better materials, leading to vehicles that typically require less frequent maintenance and are designed to withstand years of wear and tear. This advantage makes modern cars appealing for daily use, as they generally provide peace of mind when it comes to dependability. However, should a malfunction arise, repairs can be quite intricate and consequently more costly. Many modern vehicles rely on specialized diagnostic tools and software, which means that many repairs cannot be performed effectively without the help of trained professionals. In many instances, repairs may necessitate a trip to a dealership, adding to the overall expense. Thus, while the convenience of modern cars is undeniable, the potential for costly repairs down the line is an important consideration for prospective buyers. When considering the financial aspects of owning a vehicle, it's important to evaluate the costs associated with classic cars versus modern cars. Classic cars can serve as a lucrative investment opportunity, particularly if you choose the right model and maintain it properly over the years. Certain classic vehicles have shown remarkable appreciation in value, turning into prized collectibles that enthusiasts pay top dollar for at auctions. However, the initial investment can be quite substantial, particularly for rare or iconic models that are highly sought after by collectors. Additionally, the cost of insuring a classic car can be considerably higher than that of a modern vehicle. This expense is especially relevant if you intend to drive the classic regularly, as insurers often factor in the cost of repairs and the rarity of parts when calculating premiums. Conversely, modern cars typically offer a more accessible price point up front, particularly for those considering purchasing a new vehicle. There are a multitude of financing plans available that allow buyers to spread the cost over time, making it easier to manage payments without straining finances. Many manufacturers also provide warranties that cover various repairs for a number of years, which can alleviate concerns about maintenance costs during the initial ownership period. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that modern cars experience rapid depreciation. This means that their market value can decline significantly, often by as much as 20 to 30% in the first year alone, making it unlikely that you will recoup your costs if you choose to sell the vehicle down the line. Understanding these financial dynamics can help you make an informed decision based on your budget and long-term plans for your vehicle. When considering the lifestyle implications of car ownership, we must first delve into the allure of classic cars. Owning a classic car is not merely about transportation. It's a profound passion that encompasses many aspects of life. The thrill of driving a classic vehicle is a unique experience as it offers an exhilarating connection to history and heritage. Every drive feels like a journey through time, allowing the owner to appreciate the craftsmanship and design of a bygone era. Furthermore, there's an undeniable pride that comes with owning something distinctive. A classic car often serves as a personal statement, reflecting the owner's taste and appreciation for artistry and engineering. However, it's essential to acknowledge the practical realities associated with classic cars. While they may captivate enthusiasts, these vehicles often fall short in terms of everyday functionality. Classic cars typically struggle with fuel efficiency, which can deter those who prioritize cost-effective transportation. Additionally, they might not be the best choice for daily use due to factors such as limited safety features and the potential for maintenance challenges, making them more suited for leisurely drives or special occasions than for the rigors of daily commuting. In contrast, modern cars have been meticulously engineered with an eye on practicality and functionality. They are designed to integrate seamlessly into the fast-paced demands of contemporary life, whether that includes running errands, navigating rush-hour traffic on the way to work, or embarking on family road trips. Modern vehicles excel in offering fuel efficiency and reliability, often equipped with advanced technology and safety features that enhance the driving experience. These cars are built to be dependable companions that make everyday life more manageable and stress-free. Nevertheless, while modern cars provide undeniable practicality, they may lack the distinctive personality and charm that classic vehicles embody. Many modern cars, though highly functional, can feel somewhat generic or impersonal, lacking the rich character that comes from historical significance and emotional connection. For car enthusiasts, this can create a sense of longing for the unique driving experience that only a classic car can provide, highlighting the balance between passion and practicality in the world of automotive ownership. When it comes to the age-old debate of classic cars versus modern cars, the answer really hinges on your personal preferences and what you're hoping to get out of your vehicle. If you seek practicality, fuel efficiency, and a wealth of technological features, such as advanced safety systems, infotainment options, and seamless connectivity, then a modern car is undoubtedly the better choice. These vehicles are designed with today's drivers in mind, incorporating innovations that enhance both the driving experience and overall convenience. On the flip side, if you have a passion for vehicles that boast unique character, rich history, and a distinct sense of adventure, then a classic car might speak to you more. Classic cars often have a timeless appeal, showcasing craftsmanship and designs that reflect the era in which they were made. They come with stories and nostalgia, making every ride feel like a journey back in time. Both classic and modern cars have their respective advantages and disadvantages. Classic cars may require more maintenance and may not be as reliable as their modern counterparts, but they offer a driving experience filled with personality and charm. Conversely, while modern cars may lack the sentimental value of classics, they excel in efficiency, comfort, and safety features. Ultimately, it isn't about declaring one superior to the other. It's about finding the right fit for your lifestyle and preferences. So, which camp do you fall into? Are you Team Classic, celebrating the allure of vintage rides, or Team Modern, embracing the latest automotive innovations? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it enjoyable and informative, please give it a thumbs up to show your support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated on all our latest content, and make sure to hit that notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know whenever we upload something new and exciting. I'm also really interested in hearing from you. If you have a favorite car, whether it's a timeless classic or a cutting-edge modern model, I'd love to know which one it is and what makes it special to you. Your thoughts and experiences mean a lot to me and help build our vibrant community. Until we meet again, stay curious, keep exploring new ideas, and never stop fueling your passion for automotive wonders.